yeah, you see that I'm here. And yeah, so I am gonna be putting things in my slime and see if I already started with some bubbles. I know it's kind of gonna work because I put it in here. Made it a little. So I'm gonna show you the next thing I'm gonna put in here. Chalk. I'm gonna add blue because I don't really like this color. So yeah. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go and get something. I'm just gonna use this card though. Kind of turning blue. I don't think there's anything on this card. Because I used it. Guys, I don't know the camera's right there, but I'm gonna mix it with this. That's what I got it for. Blend. So it's not really forming like that good, but you guys can't really see. Can't see. That's a kind of get it. But yeah, starting to feel like bubbles. Okay, the next thing I really got is this. This is what my mom uses for my hair, but not really because somebody else does my hair. It doesn't really work on my hair that good. So cool. Oh, there we go. It popped the bubble. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I put it in there. It looks so nasty. It ain't nasty. It looks like slime. Like, oh my gosh, it looks like slime. Oh, it's gonna turn light blue. I love the blue in it. So pretty. This thing is really gonna work. I knew it was not gonna work that good. You seen that me and my niece did a video? Yeah, I think this is the same thing. No, it's not. It's lotion. Yeah, I should really put that in there. Oh my. I think I need to scoot it over. That's definitely why it's doing that. Oh my gee. There we go. This is next. Yes? Okay, I'm gonna come find it. I need to go get the remote, guys, so I'll be right back. Oh my. I'm gonna add in some of this soap. I don't know, but I have more slime. This is actually soft soap. So you can actually. Oh, I actually want it to be purple. I mean, if this is already purple and blue, I don't even know what this color is gonna make. Oh my, I don't even know what oh, it's gonna turn like, almost the color that my slime is, but yeah. It's a little darkish. It's turning really pretty, but this is good. Actually, this one's actually glue, I think. Activated though. Because I'm gonna think that this will actually make fun. I'm gonna try to put some glue in it. Oh my, this is so heavy. Oh. Who is it? It's gluey. I don't even know why I said that. Ooh. Yes? Come here to tell her to come up. Come up, Easy. Come up, Izzy. Jaden. Boom! What are you doing? Oh, it's not the meat slime. Oh, hi guys. This is my friend Ychhxh. I've been sitting in there for a long time. But yeah, she doesn't know that this is my channel.